Hey guys, what's going on? And you guys have been waiting for this for a while. This is my new updated bike check. This is it. This is the Polar. She's built up. So starting with the grips, we have the same old ODI long neck grips. They're wearing out. Gonna get some new grips soon. Here we have the Salt Pro chromoly bars, Lifestyle BMX sticker. Here we have an Eastern throttle top load stem with a Odyssey cap. Coming to the DK headset integrated. Frame is the Mafia Bikes Polar Ola BMX signature frame. Coming down to the forks, we have the Odyssey R32s. Very good forks. We have gray wall tires front and back. Those are the Duro 2.40s. The same tires used on the Mongoose Legion L100. Look at them. We have front wheel is an SX Racing. Rear wheel is a Mafia Bike cassette. Coming over to the same pedals. These are Mongoose alloy pedals. Followed by Mafia Bikes 3-piece style cranks. Up here we have, this is a Mafia Bikes Madman seat. Down here we have, this is a Black Ops 25-2 sprocket. So there you go. With just a YBN green chain. The half link was a little bit too frustrating, so I kept the full link. Front and back Jet BMX chromo pegs. And I also have these blue caps. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.